how to create new project using Composer. So we can do this using Composer, then create project, then Laravel, this is a repository, and then the project name. So in this case this will be demo project, and hit enter. So this will install the new project. And now, as you can see, now today Laravel version 9 has been released, so it is installing the latest version. Now the new Laravel project has been installed, so we can go to there directly using cd, then directory name. So in this case the demo project, if we hit enter and ls, then the Laravel 9 project has been installed.